The Govee Wireless Doorbell. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Govee Wireless Doorbell. This product is great if you're looking to upgrade your existing doorbell or want to extend the range. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user manual and the mounting hardware for the transmitter. This system comes with one transmitter and two receivers. The transmitter is plastic all around and small in size. It has an LED on the top front, and on the back you have the slot for the mounting bracket. The transmitter has an IP66 waterproof rating and a range of 1,000 feet. The receivers are small in size. Lights wrap around the unit and is activated when the transmitter is pressed. It has buttons for volume and ringtone selection on the side. The unit has a 94V0 fireproof rating. To pair the device, hold down the volume and ringtone buttons simultaneously while also pressing down on the transmitter for a few seconds. When paired successfully, you will hear the ringtone. Repeat the steps to pair the other transmitter. The doorbell system comes with 36 ringtones and can be selected by the button on the side. Volume adjustment has 4 levels from low to high and mute, where only the light will blink when activated. Installation is quick and easy. Use the supplied hardware to install the transmitter and then plug the receivers into an outlet. The Govee Wireless Doorbell, an inexpensive wireless system that has good range and multiple ringtones. It's quick and easy to install, and it's perfect for those that are looking to upgrade their existing doorbell system. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.